So I'm a carpenter and I'm here at my workshop, and as an essential tool, we're gonna use a multi-tool, and we got 3 different adapters for the multi-tool, different brands of tools, and we're gonna test it out to make some cutouts for you guys. And so what I like about this tool is you can cut through the nails if you get stuck on something, and after that you can sand it. They give you the little sandpapers as well. So we're gonna start testing everything out. Blades. This one is worn out, as you see. We use that a lot. So put the quick release, slide it out on my multi-tool, get it out, open the new one, slide it back in there.
And this is a Makita.
And this is a Makita multi-tool that I like. And we use plenty different ones. We got Ryobi also. Sometimes we don't take care of them, so we like to have one on extra just in case something happens. We're gonna cut out this notch that we need for a template, and we're gonna test it out for you guys. It's really handy sometimes checking it out, and you know, you check wherever you gotta put it on, the notches, and we're ready to go.